Hi traders, and welcome to the daily recap show for today, which is Thursday the 20th of January. So we said that the bulls had stepped in again yesterday, and in last night's recap we said that the move that above 75.63 to 73 we could see a move towards 76.27 to 37. We'd actually seen that move overnight. So we said that 76.27 to 37 was resistance. And we said if it held its resistance again, depending on the price action, we have support at 75.63 to 73, 75.21 to 31, and then strong support at 7,500 to 510. So let's go and see what happened with the market today. So we spoke about that 76.27 to 37 zone as being resistance, and you can see we had a really nice reversal pattern there on the hourly, where it had just taken out the liquidity from this previous swing high, and then put in a reversal below that zone there. It's a bit of a false break hybrid reversal sort of thing, and you can see this worked really nicely. So let's go and have a look at the lower time frames as well. Bear with me. Let's delete that. So as you can see from the open, we pushed down here through that zone. So we had that reversal signal on the hourly, which suggested this 76.20 to 7.37 was resistance, and then we put in a really nice continuation pattern here. Now this was one that we took, and we got a really nice trade out of this. It did take a little bit of heat on this next candle here, so this wasn't ideal for a continuation pattern. You really want to see the momentum, but we had our stop above here, and we managed to hold that and then push down, and then we saw the momentum. And we did hold this 75.63 to 73 as support initially before breaking down in this afternoon session, in the US session. We've just broken above it again, so this potentially is a false break. We'll have to see where we are in the morning. But that was probably the trade of the day on the FTSE there, where we got a continuation pattern, having held that zone as resistance as discussed in the morning report. And then obviously, as I say, nothing clear in the way of a reversal unless you moved up to the 15-minute chart. And here you can see a really nice 15-minute reversal off that support zone as well, back into the moving average, back for a mean reversion. So a couple of good opportunities there on the FTSE. Now let's go and have a look at the DAX. So on the DAX, we said we continue to hold support zones, but we said if we saw sustained breaks, we said aggressive support was at 15,800 to 15,810, and if bulls could hold above there, then it could be a catalyst for a move to the resistance areas. However, below there, we continue to show weakness on the DAX with support at 15,610 to 630, and breaks below that support area leave us open for further moves down. So let's go and have a look at the DAX for today. Okay, so a bit similar to the FTSE, we saw the sell-off initially, and I said below this 800 to 810 area, I felt that we were a little bit weak, was a little bit weaker on the DAX. Now, we had the initial push down. When we come back, we had an impulsive push through, which suggested it could have been a false break. However, and notice there was no reversal pattern in there. However, we then had another impulsive push down, and then we got this continuation pattern here. So this here, because we had the false break pattern which failed, this then suggested to me that this 800 to 810 was showing signs of weakness on the DAX, and therefore we took a short off of this candle here, the continuation. Again, a bit like the FTSE, we had quite a bit of heat on this. We got triggered into trade, had some heat on it, but we managed to stay in, and then we got the momentum to push down to that support zone below. So that was a couple of trades that we took today on the FTSE and the DAX. Now again, we did have this, if you notice, we did have this 725 to 745 area as a key zone in the market. However, I didn't really want to buy from there today because that was the area in the market that we had reacted from overnight. So I felt and below that 800 to 810, I felt that we were a little bit weak. So I didn't necessarily want to buy it from there. However, we did get a reversal pattern here, so there was that opportunity to buy. However, like I said, it wasn't one that I was looking to take. Now, we then saw this push back up above this 800 to 810 area. showing this area had been support, showing a bit more strength in the DAX, and then we actually got a really nice reversal signal here on the DAX, retesting that 800 to 810 area. So it had acted as resistance a couple of times in the morning, and then it had turned support in the afternoon. So once we had got this impulsive breakthrough and the acceptance break above, saw the reversal pattern on the retest, and then that was the catalyst for this move higher this afternoon. So a few opportunities there today, some really good zone to zone action. So I hope you found this useful, guys, and I will speak to you again tomorrow. Cheers.